Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create new EA account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google EA, and here you can see the first website. So you simply need to select EA Play. So once you are on this website, here you can see this website interface. So once you are here, you can see this person icon. Click on that and click on create account. Wait for a few seconds and it will redirect to the next page. Here you need to select your country, your date of birth. So I'm going to select a random. Okay, so for this year, okay, click on next. Here you need to add your email address. Add your EA ID. Enter password. So let's suppose I'm going to use this and click on next. It will take few seconds, so please solve this puzzle to verify, and you need to verify that select that show identical objects. Okay, and this one. So now your verification is complete. And here you need to select your profile visibility, so I'm going to select everyone, and here you need to select all these options and click on create account. So once you click on that, your account will be created. So you need to verify your email, so I'm going on to my Gmail to verify this. So click on Gmail, open Gmail, and here you receive a code. So let me refresh this. Okay, and so you simply need to click on that verify now. So now you can see that your email has been verified. So this is the process by which you can create EA account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.